All right, my name is Andrew Kipp, and this is my lightning talk on the comparison of activity patterns between a prey and its predators. So my research question was, do the activity patterns of predators reflect that of the prey during the end of the summer, beginning of fall, or basically when we recorded observations for iNaturalist? It's kind of like focusing on when they're both more active or if they're even similar. So to do this, I just downloaded our class iNaturalist project. I chose a prey species and 3 of its predator species because the predator species I chose didn't have a lot of observations alone. So I combined predators with a common prey and did it like that. I then manipulated the data and converted it into a line graph. These are the species I chose. You got the eastern cottontail, gray fox, red fox, and the coyote underneath the bullet points. So yeah, there weren't a lot of observations of like a single predator species. So I just chose 3 to increase that sample size. I used RStudio to just manipulate the data and create my graph. And then I compared the time of each day, and in this case, I just took the hour in which each observation occurred and compared each species. All right, results/discussion. I said /discussion just because I was always taught to never like build upon my results in the results discussion or in the results section. So yeah, I created the line graph to the right. Blue is the eastern cottontail, orange is the coyote, gray is red fox, and yellow is the gray fox. This graph seems to indicate, and I say seems to because of the small sample size, it seems to indicate that the predators are mainly active when the prey was active. You can see in the graph that whenever a observation of a predator was recorded, there was always an observation of an eastern cottontail rabbit, either at the same or like during the same hour of the day or within like 1 hour of the predator observation. This kind of supports the hypothesis that the activity times of the predators are similar to those of their prey. So broader context, that's most likely not an anomaly that this occurs because it's just natural for a predator to eat a prey that is active at the same time it is. But over time, this develops into a predator-prey relationship where the predator could start to narrow in on that prey if it sees it's more abundant. And then if in one of these predator-prey relationships, the typical activity pattern of the prey becomes unsuitable due to climate change or humans knocking down trees in the forest or etc. The predators could have to change with the prey, move somewhere else or find a new time during the day to be active. And then if they can't change under those circumstances, they could starve, and the species, or at least the population, could be greatly impacted. So yeah, that's about it.